Distance. Like you see it from so far
I'm recording.
Hold on. Melanie.
What?
You filming me?
Yeah.
Crikey! This is a beautiful one. You see this right here? See this?
You have to stay alone.
Look at this. This is the third most dangerous caterpillar. And I'm this fucking close. If I stick my thumb up its ass, it really piss it off. Maybe my raunchy cock breath will kill it first. Now, the metamorphosis.
It's scared of you.
For this, because I'm breathing on it. Now, for this butterfly, well, caterpillar, in this state of mind, to become a, if this attacks, I'll have this female, this cat-like thing,
You're a dick.
to extract the venom from my neck. Crikey, it's not moving. Crikey.
I think you killed it.
No, I didn't. Oh, Jesus Christ. No way. I'm with my sidekick, Keanu Reeves. And Eddie Van Halen. No way. No, you gotta be like...
No, I think it's dead. Hello? No.
No, poke its butt.
Hello? Hello? It's so cool. No, don't be rough.
I'm not roughing it. Oh, but that's not rough. You know we're recording
Wake up! Keanu Reeves say, no way.
No way!
I think that's Jesus, not Keanu Reeves. I think we killed it. Sad face.